Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there's a new reality show that's going to be hitting our screens on the 29th of March called Wena, Wodumo. Now we know Ugutu babes Wodumo had a reality TV show with her husband, and now it looks like she's going to be having a solo reality show on her own. Now it is going to be released on Moja Love, and I'm just questioning myself. Why is it on Moja Love, guys? The last time was it on Moja Love because I couldn't remember. All I know is that once a reality TV show or something is released on Moja Love, it's drama after drama. So that's what I'm expecting. But on the snippets, the trailer that has been released by Moja Love, you guys, we see a lot of, they're going to be dealing with a lot of the scandals that were being spoken about just after Umampinja passed away. Because some of the footage, I even see the mother in there, and I'm like, Aibo, did not Umampinja's mother pass away? So it's as if they had hopes of having the reality show, because I remember there was rumors about a reality show of Upeng Sotumo or the reality show continuing, but then those rumors died off. So I guess there is footage they did have in also of having the reality show, because the mother, like, why would she be in that footage like when she has passed on already? So I guess this is old footage and they're putting it into use right now. We're seeing other things of Babes speaking about, I remember when Babes got access to Mampincha's phone and she was going wild about releasing proof of girls or some girls that she also knows that were flirting with her man and whatnot. So all of those drama things that was going on back then, guys, it looks like they're going to be addressing or dealing with a lot of that in this reality show. Now, I don't know if people are still going to be interested in Galeyo and Lela, guys, because I mean, this is kind of like an old thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? I feel like if they had released it by that time, it would have done extremely well, or maybe it would have had potential to go on other platforms or other channels. So I don't know if this is going to do well, but I mean, one thing about Ubabes, angeka sport, right, guys, and get content that I trust her in. So let's see how it works out. We of course will be there to see Ubabes. I really do hope though that people do support the show just for the sake of Ubabes, because it does look like Ubabes has been trying to, make her comeback. I mean, she has been performing for a while, but I mean, it's just not the same, guys. And maybe we should rethink. Yes, Mampinja had these things, but guys, he really worked on Ubabes' career and really put her up there, because now she's been trying to work, but still it's like she can't get back to that level where she's at. So let's hope with the reality TV show, it's gonna give her the type of publicity that she needs and bring her back into the spotlight. We will see, guys. But anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Is this something that you think you possibly will watch? Do you feel like it's outdated? You don't want to know about Lezo Zinto anymore? Anyway, tell me your thoughts about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.